Hello guys, this is Jack from Foxtech. Today I'm going to show you a new camera. Actually, many people require me to show them a lightweight, high resolution, and easy to use camera and gimbal. And here it comes. This is the Foxtech EH314 camera. And it is a 4K camera, can help you take a 4K video and also 12 mega still image. This is great. Okay, let's just check the appearance. The whole camera and gimbal is made of aluminum and also the carbon fiber right here. The whole camera and gimbal is actually supported by 4 very soft, very good damper balls, giving the whole system a very good stability. And then the camera is driven by 3 brushless motors, very precise, with the precision up to 0.008 degrees. Amazing. Well, the camera is very light up to 275 degrees. Well, by together using with a suitable platform, you can use the camera to do the jobs like filming, like inspection. And what I have to mention is this is not only just a high resolution camera, it is also a zooming camera. Step 2 is the high resolution, only it has maybe optical zooming, not so much, only 3.5 times, but it has the digital zooming up to 4 times. Together, it gives a total zooming up to 14 times zooming range. Well, because it has a so good resolution up to 12 mega, so compared with those small cameras with the 10 times optical zooming, but a very low resolution, only like 2 mega resolution, even its digital zooming is much better than the small camera that has a very low resolution before. Okay, so the camera's unique feature is it has the Ethernet output. And you can see here, now today we are using a VD16. This is a 16-channel radio data link and also video. Now we transmit the video through the Ethernet to the radio receiver, and the radio receiver transmits back to the radio transmitter, and then we have an Ethernet cable linking to the laptop, giving us the video feed, and also we can control the cameras on those applications. We can choose to change the angles just by simply clicking on the arrows, and also we can to zoom in and zoom out very easily just by operating the laptop. So you can see we have one laptop, one radio, one drone, and one camera. Now we have a complete drone system for inspection, and no longer need maybe a monitor is no longer needed. So it can help you to save a lot of money buying a very bright monitor, because a lot of laptops are bright enough to see under strong sunshine. And there are 2 ways to control the EH314. One is by the radio directly controlled by the S-bus coming from normally from the radio receiver. So we accept the S-bus signal, so we can then use our radio to control the tilt and pan. And talking about pan rate, the pan degree is loud on this gimbal. You may worry about sometimes you may be using a small gimbal, and when you want to look backward, it just stuck there because it doesn't have a continuous rotation method. But on this one, it doesn't happen. It has enough rotation angle for your 2 turns. So the total rotation degree on the pan axis is like around 720 degrees. So you can one way to use our radio to control all the functions, like one key facing down, like back to center, like headlock, all the normal functions you may find on those other small camera and gimbals. But one great feature is that it also has the target locking and the object tracking function. Okay, just by using an app on the laptop or the radio, you can directly log and target, and then the camera will track it. And very convenient when you want to track a moving target, just like a moving car or person, to do the filming and other inspection jobs. So as you can see, the pan rate on this camera gimbal is a lot. It's around 600 or 700 degrees, and then we can control the tilt. The tilt rate is also good. A tilting down rate is up to 100 degrees, tilting up is up to 70 degrees. And also there are many good features in this application we can use. It's like zoom in, zoom in a lot, up to 14 times zooming, and zoom out. Yeah, we have one key facing down, and resuming and hand lock. Okay, let me show you how to track an object by the EH314 camera gimbal. Well, just choose, let's see, choose the tracking function and draw a square just like this. So it starts to track this battery. You can see actually it tracks very fast. I can even go in this way. It's still working. Okay, you can see how fast it tracks my battery in the hand. It's pretty nice. Okay. And when you want to stop tracking, just disable the function and stop tracking. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and this is a brief introduction about our new camera gimbal 4K resolution. It's a EH314 and it's a 4K video resolution and also 12 mega photo resolution, and it has Ethernet, it has object tracking, it has so many functions and takes a very stable video. I hope you liked it. And if you like this one, you can find it on our website, which is the foxtech.com. And then you can find our YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, quite interesting. And don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.